Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to make a birthday video in Canva. First, click on the video option. Here you can choose the layout or the orientation of your video. For here, I will choose on video landscape. Now, go to templates and search for happy birthday. Now it will generate templates for you where you can choose from. Click on one. If it has pages, apply both or apply all the pages. Now you can add another page if you want your video longer. You can drag it. Then click on design and select on layouts. It will show you layouts you can choose from that corresponds to the theme. Choose one. After that, you can add a picture or a video to that layout. You can also type in a message. Just get the font of the other pages so that it will match your new one. Now type in a message for your birthday video. You can also add animations to your text or pictures so that they will be more pleasant to see. Here you can choose one animations that you like. You can also animate the picture or video that you put. After that, you can add another page. You can also copy the element of the previous pages if you want. Now you can put a video or a picture that you like by clicking on uploading files, then upload it and drag it to the template. Then your video will be put on it. If you are done, you can preview your video, just play it, and you'll see how your video turns out. Once satisfied, just click on the share button on the upper right corner. Then click on download and your video will be downloaded to your device. And that's it. That's how you make a birthday video on Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.